Boom. Alright, this is Jiggy Randolph, and I am Brandon. Alright, everyone, this is my first attempt at a vlog because we are here trying to record some dance videos, and we're going to the pier. Alright, so I'm just going to take you on our journey with us.
So let's cringe with us, we'll cringe together. Yeah, and we'll just see how it goes.
It's going to be nice.
Oh, there's a car behind us.
Oh, that's fine.
Sorry, car.
Oh, sorry, car. Okay. Alright. Already messing up, so we're already having a good start.
I want zero problems, big fella. Yup. If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up on the mail. Here go channel riding through the streets, they be like they go. My shooters come for free, so if one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Yup.
Peter Pablo, take your shirt off, wave around your head like a helicopter. I ain't putting enough weed in the blunt, all you do is smoke tobacco. Where the hell you get them from? Jesus said he ain't made them. My niggas chasing bounty hunters and getting chased by they baby mamas. My first tap on my stomach, got a pocket full of money and a mind full of ideas. Some of the shit may sound weird. Inside of the Maybach look like it came out of IKEA. Run shit like diarrhea. Big y'all know positive. I captain. I'm high captain. I'm so high. Me and God dapping. This my blessing. This my passion. School of hard knocks. I took night classes.
I got problems bigger than these boys. Yeah, my deposits they be on steroids. Lord, free the Carter, niggas need the Carter. Sacrificing everything, I feel like Jesus Carter. Hold up, I got it slowed up, my soda pulled up, my woes up. I'm flipping those bucks, they doing toe tucks. I roll up and let the smoke puff. I lay down toes up, hold up, get too choked up and I think of old stuff. Move on, put my goons on, they kidnap newborns. In the streets, my face a coupon, her pussy too warm. All these bitches come to do harm, just bought a new charm. Fuck a watch, I buy your new arm, you lukewarm. I'm Uncle Luke with the hoes, pretty bitches centerfolds, tip it to.
But yeah, so thank you for coming on this journey with us. I hope that you enjoy the video. I would say that we had to do like an improv session, and then of us doing it together, and then we collaborated a little bit on the choreography, so the part that we did together. And then when we were separated, it was just purely improv, Jiggy's improv and then my improv, and then we are going to try to splice that all together along with Jiggy's video that's coming out soon. Also, that we also have that, which is just his solo video to a different song. What is that song?
Healy, 150 roll with it.
There we go, 150 roll with it. Well, roll with it, actually, not roll with it. If you're trying to search it, because you're not going to find it on YouTube if you find it that way. So yeah, but you know what you can find on YouTube is my page, my channel, and it's Brandon Pavone, P-A-V-O-N, V as in Victor. Yes, awesome. So, you know, go search it up. If you like it, please enjoy this video, please like it, and subscribe to me, you know, because, you know, I'm trying to help the cause and everything. So yeah.
And follow me on Instagram, at Jiggy Randolph.
And at Jiggy Randolph on Instagram. You can add me on Instagram too, if you want to, you know, go about that. Now it's raining, a little sprinkling, really. But yeah, let's turn around into the sun.
We're just gonna get off here now.
We're just gonna stop rambling now. But thank you everybody for coming, and see you again in the next video.
You don't want zero problems, big fella. Yup. If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up on the mail. Here go channel riding through the streets, they be like they go. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick a part of me.